we have eyes and they can have all kinds of different angles. So, like, if you look at the top of his eyebrow, it's moving in this direction, which she totally got here, right? So then it's like, well, where does the bottom eye go? Yep, it looks like we got that. But this eye, which way does it go? It's actually almost straight across. And I think naturally it's kind of obvious that we might go down. And so Lynn kind of angled the left eye because she angled the right eye. And that's a kind of a typical thing that we might do too when we're looking at a face is think about the symmetry, and we naturally have that in our brain, like, well, we're symmetrical. But so catch yourself and go, well, how is that eye working? What is the angle? Look at how sharp the angle is for the crease of that part of the end of his eye, and then the crease that goes down. It's very downward, right? So sometimes it's nice to like lay your pencil so that you can kind of see the angle that it's creating, and then ask yourself, is it the same angle, right? This part looks pretty accurate to me, right? So then it's about where does that meet, right? All of these lines create intersections that can help you place things. Or you could even cover part of it with a piece of paper so that you only see part of a face. And then that helps you really just study the shape, right? If we're only looking at this part of his face because the rest of it's covered in paper, well, that's a lot easier to work from and is a little less overwhelming for our eyes, right? It's easier to focus.